What the fuck? Who the hell shits on the sidewalk? Molly does. Come here, girl. Beautiful day, though. Beautiful. Where's the sunrise? Awesome. All right. Ava, come on. Ava, heel. Oh, now you're pooping. Alrighty. Poop-a-doop. Poop-a-doop-a-doop. There's one sack of poop. Isn't this a lovely video? Call it shit break. Kind of hard to do this crap. Can't open the goddamn bracket. I'm crazy. What kind of crap is this? They got the beach fenced off? That's the only reason I came here. Fucking cocksuckers. I'll bring my damn wire cutters out here and cut through this bitch. You gotta be shitting me. What the fuck, man? Really? Temporary fencing. If I had my chain link pliers, I'd cut right through it. You can see right here where it's woven together, the two fences. The two rolls of wire, I should say. 11 gauge galvanized knuckle. Cheap 1 5/8. Slammed into the ground. Mushroomed the shit out of the top of those. Smeagol. Hey, Diesel, heel. Looks like we can get around, but good morning. Molly, Ava. Molly, come on. Good girl. Beach closed. What? How about fuck you? Beach closed. How you gonna close a fucking public beach? Cocksuckers. Motherfuckers. Stay on defined trail. Eat my ass. So we're not supposed to be out here. You guys know I couldn't resist. I'm on the other side of the fence. Neener. Now watch the cops come. I'll fucking end up in jail today. Mr. Elliott, this is a federal offense. You're walking on the beach. Oh, look at this one. Out there in the water already. See, that's why I wanted to come here for her. What are you doing down there, crazies? Crazy dogs. Oh. Crazies. I better get out of here. You better run before the police is coming, honey. You better run. You better go before the police is coming. Yes, sir. Should have locked the gate. Fucks. Here comes the sun, little Tommy. Here comes the sun, Do 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 do. It's alright. Do 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 do. Beautiful day coming. Now what the fuck is this up here? Okay, this is new. Gotta give it to him, man. These fucking left-wing hippie fucking faggots keep me entertained. Gotta love Berkeley. Oh my god, it's a fucking windmill. That's actually kind of cool. They built a deck with a little chair, a throne. There, look at what we got. Got our little windmill up here. We're gonna come take a sheet up on this mother honky. Is it stable? Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Interesting. Look at this shit. Smeagol, can you get up here? Diesel, hey. Come here, Smeagol. Come up here, buddy. Hey, come on. Hi, Molly. Molly just jumps up here because she's a little funny little thing. Molly, hey, come on, littles, up here. Hello. Hello, little dog. You're no little cutie. Little itchy butt. Oh, itchy butt, 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 itchy butt. Just do it again. Itchy butt, itchy butt, itchy butt, itchy butt. Okay. Enough of the itchy butt crew. Oh, shit. Caw-caw, caw-caw. Lesbian seagull, fly away with me. Caw-caw, caw-caw, caw-caw. Lesbian seagull. So good to be free, lesbian seagull. Caw-caw, caw-caw, caw-caw. Can't really see the city too good. I do need a better camera. What the fuck do I got shit on my lens? Hang on. Hang on. No, I just gotta